Hi YouTube friends, I'm the Girl Stacker and welcome back to my channel. On this channel I talk about stacking cash, coins, and cryptos. And if you want to know more about why I created this channel, please do check out the introductory video linked in the description below. In today's video, I'm going to review 5 platforms for beginners to consider when buying their very first cryptocurrency. Now, before I jump into the 5 platforms for buying crypto, I must offer 3 very important words of advice. Word number 1, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not offering professional financial advice. I'm only sharing my personal opinions. Word of warning number 2, be careful of who you're listening to and do your own due diligence. Now, I've noticed that recently there has been a lot of hype around cryptocurrency. Because crypto is a very, very new area of investment for a lot of folks, I strongly encourage everyone to do their very own research before investing and for them to seek out credible, experienced, veteran people to learn about YouTube from. Now, there are some YouTubers that I personally trust, and those include Lark Davis, Ivan on Tech, and Crypto Casey. Those 3 YouTubers are people I have personally been following for years and I believe are reliable, veteran people in the crypto space. So I will list all of their channels in the description below. But again, my encouragement is that you should be careful who you're listening to and you should do all of your own research before investing. My final word of warning is about the volatility and risk associated with investing in crypto. While there is an opportunity to make a lot of money, there is also the risk of losing a lot of money. Therefore, people should know and be okay with the risk before they buy any cryptocurrency. If someone is risk averse, investing in crypto might not be right for them. I'm not trying to scare anyone. I am simply trying to be as direct as possible. Okay, now that I've gotten all of that stuff out of the way, I do want to say that I personally am invested in crypto. I like crypto. I think it's here to stay, and I'm excited about its potential. I've been investing in cryptocurrency for the last 18 to 24 months, and while I'm not at all claiming to be an authority in any way, I'm also not brand new to the world of cryptocurrency either. I've learned a lot about investing in crypto over this journey, and some of the things I've learned are how and where to buy cryptocurrency. So in this video, I cover 5 of what I believe to be our pretty accessible exchanges for first-time crypto buyers. Now, this is not a complete list of all of the exchanges / platforms / brokerages out there. There are several more, and there are new ones that seem to be popping up every single day. But the 5 I'm covering here in this video are ones that I think are pretty solid options for beginning crypto investors. This first exchange is Binance.us. Now notice I said .us because there are actually a few versions of Binance. So if you live in the United States of America, you want to download the US version to stay as compliant as possible. Now, I really like Binance because it has pretty low fees, but if you use my referral code, which you'll see at the bottom of the next screen, you'll be able to save 25% off of your trading fees, which would then make them some of the most competitive rates in the marketplace. In addition, Binance allows you to own your own keys, which means that you can transfer your crypto on and off of the Binance exchange into your own hardware wallet or onto another exchange. Binance also has a pretty good selection of coins to choose from. Now, one of the biggest drawbacks, in my opinion, about Binance is that they've recently eliminated the order confirmation page. And I don't like that because it means that you can buy and sell crypto literally at the click of a single button. And if you are not very experienced or if you're moving too quickly, you can make a pretty big mistake. Binance also does not offer staking rewards, nor does the app contain a lot of information about individual coins. The next exchange is Coinbase, and Coinbase is probably the largest, most well-known crypto exchange out there. I really like Coinbase because it's super safe. It's safe not only because of its size, but also because they're trying to go public in the next year or so. So they are doing everything in their power to ensure that their exchange is meeting every single regulation and is ready to go public. You can also own your own keys on Coinbase, again, meaning you can transfer your crypto on and off of the exchange. A special feature I believe that Coinbase has is that it's super user-friendly for the beginner investor. It contains a tremendous amount of information about each one of the coins on its exchange and just coins that aren't tradable on its exchange, but you might want to look up on your own. So you can click a coin on Coinbase and it will tell you a little bit about the coin. It will link you to the white paper, link you to the website, give you most recent news stories about the coin. It's just super helpful. And so I often use Coinbase, even if I don't trade all of my assets on Coinbase, just to look up information about particular coins because it's just that helpful. Another thing about Coinbase is that you can earn small amounts of money in order to learn about certain coins. So sometimes they'll do these promotions where you can watch videos that explain the coin to you, and in exchange for watching those videos or learning about the coin, you can earn, $2, $3, $5, $10. So that's pretty cool. Now, if you like Coinbase or if you're interested in Coinbase and you don't already have Coinbase, you can earn $10 free of Bitcoin if you use my referral code, which is at the bottom of the screen. And I think it's totally worth it because, again, free money is great money. Now, there are some cons to using Coinbase. One con is that the fees are incredibly high. In fact, Coinbase is probably the most expensive exchange in the marketplace. It also has a limited selection of coins. In fact, very few coins are allowed to be traded on Coinbase proper. It doesn't offer a lot of staking rewards, and you cannot place limit orders on Coinbase, so you can only make market rate purchases. The next exchange is Kraken, and Kraken is great because you can not only buy a large selection of coins. In fact, there are coins that I can't find on either Coinbase or Binance US that I can buy on Kraken, which is wonderful because it allows me to have more diversity. Secondly, Kraken allows you to stake, which means that you can earn interest by keeping some of your coins on the Kraken exchange. And some of their staking rewards are pretty high. They have some coins that pay up to 12%, which I think is very generous. Now, there are some exchanges that offer higher staking rewards, but nonetheless, it's nice that Kraken does that. Now, the only drawback that I really don't love about Kraken is that their user interface on both the app and on their desktop version is a bit strange. It's just not as intuitive and easy to use as some of the other exchanges. But all in all, Kraken is a great exchange. This next platform is Robinhood. Now, unlike the crypto exchanges I just talked about, Robinhood is actually not a crypto exchange. It is a brokerage account designed to help people buy and sell stocks. Now, you can buy and sell the value of Bitcoin and a few other cryptocurrencies on Robinhood, but you don't actually own real cryptocurrency when you buy it on Robinhood. And I'll explain that in just a second. Now, there are some pros for using Robinhood. Pro number one, there are no fees. It's fee-free, just like when you buy and sell stocks on Robinhood. Pro number two, it's super easy to use and easy to read. Now, the biggest drawback here is that when you make a purchase of cryptocurrency on Robinhood, you don't actually own the cryptocurrency. You own the value of the cryptocurrency. And so you can never withdraw your crypto onto a hardware wallet or into another exchange. So for example, if you buy $50 worth of Ethereum on Robinhood, you can't actually get that Ethereum out of Robinhood. In order to get the value of that Ethereum, you'd have to sell what you own on Robinhood, and then they will give you back fiat currency or dollars, American dollars. So that is a big limitation for a lot of people who actually really do want to own cryptocurrency. But if you're just in crypto to buy and trade, sell, make more fiat, then Robinhood might be a great app for you because of how user-friendly it is. The next platform is Cash App. Now, Cash App is a commonly used application for sending and receiving money. And so buying cryptocurrency using Cash App is probably the easiest of all the options we've already talked about. Another pro to using Cash App is that you get to own your own keys, again, meaning you can take your money off of this application and put it into your own hardware wallet. And they also charge very, very modest fees. Now, the drawback to using Cash App is that you can only purchase Bitcoin. There are no other coins available at this time. Now, if you're a person who doesn't currently have Cash App and you'd like to download the Cash App, you can use my referral link and you'll get $5 free and I'll get $5 free. I plan to use my $5 free in order to buy some crypto. What about you? Alrighty friends, well I hope this video covering the top 5 exchanges for beginning buyers of cryptocurrency was helpful. And if it was helpful, please do give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. Your engagement tremendously helps us. It helps us grow. And until next time, I'm the Girl Stacker. Bye!